am Alex Topas, owner of Permanor Hotel Incorporated. When I started using GTO in our standby generator, we noticed that the sound of the generator reduces by almost 70%, and the smoke emission of the smokestack of the generator from originally before the GTO oil was blackish, now it's whitish, and the smoke coming out is very thin, which convinced me that the product is really good. Not only in our generator, standby generator here, but also in our cars, which we have been using this for almost a year now, and we have really experienced a lot of savings every time we change the oil. The fuel economy, it also increases somewhat between 30 to 40% savings, yes. So with that, I would recommend really the use of GTO, because not only for its savings, but also being friendly, user friendly, or we can say environmental friendly.